Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to make a simple chicken and rice recipe. Here I have made this recipe using the leftover rice and leftover marinated chicken. It's very quick to prepare and can be sent as a lunchbox recipe. I hope you will love this recipe of mine, so keep watching. To begin preparing this recipe, first heat some oil and to it add 1 chopped green chilli, 1 small piece of chopped ginger, few cloves of chopped garlic and curry leaves. Add this to the oil and fry all these till the garlic turns brown in color. Now add 2 thinly sliced onions and fry them well for a minute or till the onions turn soft. Once the onions have turned soft, add a handful of grated paneer. Here I've simply marinated this paneer with the leftover chicken marinade. Along with it, add the marinated chicken. Here the chicken was marinated with kebab masala, to which I added 2 teaspoons of oil, 2 pinch of kasuri methi and salt. Now add this to the onions. Fry well for a minute. After a minute, keep stirring it till the chicken is cooked well. This should not take more than 2 to 3 minutes. Once the chicken is cooked, add a tablespoon of vinegar, a teaspoon of red chili sauce and a tablespoon of soya sauce. Now mix this well and cook this chicken along with the sauces for another 2 minutes on high flame. Once the chicken is cooked, remove the chicken from the oil and keep it aside. Now into the same pan I have removed the excess oil and I'm going to add the leftover rice. Here I have taken 500 grams of leftover rice. Add the fried chicken. Do add salt if required and mix this chicken along with the rice. Once the fried chicken is well combined with the rice, turn the flame to low and cook the rice till it's completely hot. Once cooked, turn off the flame and let it rest for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can see the rice is hot and the chicken is well mixed with the rice. So it's time to dish this out. Serve this chicken rice hot along with ketchup, Szechuan chutney and some chilies with vinegar. I hope you like this recipe of mine. Do give it a like and share this recipe with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Aaleen 1. See you soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.